Now, we have one more presentation from Academia ERP. I would request and invite Mr. Arpit Barjatia, CEO and MD, Academia ERP. Welcome him with a big round of applause.
I am here to talk about automation of processes through softwares, and I will be starting with a short, interesting video which will help us just set the context right. Can stop a bit. Yeah. Can we have the computer connection back? Yes. So that video was actually, to my mind, pure magical, and it drove home the point that for magic to happen, and it can happen anywhere, it can happen in our educational organizations as well, we need coordination, communication, feedback, reporting, decision making, and we saw a great amalgamation of all of those coming together for that magic to happen. And it has become increasingly important that all those 5 things happen in our educational organizations in the 21st century, especially amidst these challenges, and I know that these would have been discussed in multiple panel discussions as well. So I'll skip it, but it's primarily about changing student expectations and the market dynamics underlying. And in view of those challenges, my vision for the 21st century campus of how it should operate is something which is student-centric, not bound by time and place, constantly measuring and communicating the progress, and I think that is really pivotal, and continually renewing its commitment to students and the community. And to achieve that vision, according to me, you need a trilogy of right team, right teaching, and right technology. I'm sure that all of there are many universities, colleges that we visit, we work with, and we've seen, and schools, and we believe that there are fantastic people there and there are right teaching happening. But where we really add value is about right technology. And technology is currently being offered in e-learning, smart boards. There's a lot of solutions that you might have heard. But I believe that one of the most critical tools in adoption of technology in higher education and school segment in India today is about ERP for educational institutions, because an ERP is actually the nervous system for an institutional technology ecosystem around which all your other components can play, and this can sit right in the middle for efficient operation. We will be talking more about specifically what we have to offer, but these are some suggestions that I had in what are the key points, again, basis our experience of working with about 175 institutions across India. What are the things that we should keep in mind before really taking that leap? And I think some sort of preparation with regard to, are you ready for the change that is going to happen when an ERP comes through? Is there a universal buy-in that has been secured, which means that there's obviously all stakeholders that get impacted? Have you had a chat with them, a word with them, and gotten them into the buy-in? Have you started from the bottom, so included the entire hierarchy? Do you have reasonable and clear expectations from that project? Have you defined your requirements before you move into an exercise of an ERP implementation? Have you defined where you need to be tomorrow with this implementation? And ultimately, do you know which is a vendor which has the right domain experience and expertise? And today I'm here to present quickly one of the options for the 9th block that I've said, a vendor with very good domain expertise and experience who can deliver the goods with a solution called Academia. That's our solution. It's Academia ERP by Cerosoft Solutions. That's the company name. And we are focused on schools, colleges, universities with a slight bias on higher education. These are some of the questions that I'll pose quickly for all of you here in this August audience. Do you believe you're facing problems in managing data across multiple colleges and programs? I know there are vice chancellors of leading universities sitting here, and they have multiple colleges within the university. Do you have a problem consolidating that data? Are you investing time in data collection and maybe some sort of excessive paperwork? Are you facing huge capital investment in some of the small pieces of islands of softwares that you might have purchased? Are you unable to analyze and generate comprehensive reports when you really require them at the click of a button? Are you troubled by lack of accountability? Do you find it difficult to manage databases? And ultimately, are you looking as a vice chancellor or a principal or a director or as a head to get absolute control on processes? That's my first set of questions. Another set of questions that I'd like to pose to you is about do you wish to evaluate student, faculty, and staff performance on a regular basis? Do you wish to have a single platform of communication for students, faculty, staff, and management? And ultimately, do you want a scalable and reliable platform to manage your institution effectively? And I'm sure to a lot of these questions, your answers would be an emphatic yes. And that is exactly where Academia comes in. So with Academia, all your departments, processes, functions get automated and streamlined. And this leads to enhanced transparency, better productivity, and greater control. Moving on, these are some of the capabilities of Academia. It can talk to your website portals. It has SMS and email-based alerts. We integrate with all the leading LMSs like Blackboard. Moodle is very popular these days and as an open source LMS. Accounting softwares, biometric machines. We also have smartphone apps. So it's mobile-ready software in that, and that's an increasing trend that we are seeing across Indian institutions. Coming to the bird's eye view of what all aspects of your university, college, or school Academia will impact. So this is a bird's eye view, and I will not go into much of the detail today for the want of time. But starting with organization setup, we go to, you have your inquiries and campaigns where, you get your entire pre-admission processes managed. Then this would go through an admission process, which can be very complicated in terms of certain universities. It can be straightforward in terms of direct admission in some places. So all those processes are managed, leading to programs and courses, your fees and payments, examinations, completions, student portals, faculty portals, the complete rules around graduation, proceeding to the next level, and allied administrative modules like the HR, payroll, inventory, library, assets, transport management, system administration, messaging engines, ability to print documents directly off of the ERP, and having very, very diverse reporting as part of the solution. So that is, in a nutshell, what we can offer to you. I know it's late, so I would have ideally liked to walk you through some of these features, but we'll skip it for the want of time, so you can keep going, Ankit. Yeah. So we'll just give you a quick snapshot. We'll keep rolling it up. So in admissions, yeah, keep going. In admissions, we are able to handle all kinds of complex processes. For example, there can be multi-stage processes, single stage. Fees and payments, we're able to handle any kind of fee scenario, which could be installment-based pay, discounts, scholarships, different fee structures for different seat types and different students from backgrounds. Examination is usually critical for everyone, where you have to have now increasingly evolving methodologies to evaluate students. And CCE is popular in school as well as, I mean, in universities and colleges also you need the continuous evaluation processes. So these are all compliant. We have messaging, scholarships, keep going. Yeah, asset management, along with the purchase process and so on. Hostels, so your student housing, accommodation, completion, which is very critical, which means that what are the rules that really govern a student to progress from one level to the other. And these can be really complex. In a credit hour-based system, these could be different. In a marks-based system, these could be different. And we've kind of thought through every single scenario, having been in this sector for 8 years and just focusing on one single product. Faculty, portals, and then we have service request management. This is one key where we have incorporated a ticket management system where any person who needs any request can always raise a ticket and it will be tracked like a corporate, whether it has been resolved by the relevant authority or not. And it gets auto-escalated based on the hierarchy that you define in the system. So, you know, the whole idea is to bring in a lot of transparency, you know, efficiency, communication, and collaboration. These are some of the key benefits. I will not go into it. Efficient work and process flow. Yeah, this is one area where I'd like to highlight why we are different. First of all, we can really work well with all kinds of formats of education. And when I say that, it can be universities, colleges, it can be different grading patterns, different evaluation patterns, different fee structures, and so on. There's a high configurability that we have built in. One of the things that we observed while working with so many universities is there's constant changes that are required. And if you have to really go into the code and make changes to the code, it often makes it costly, expensive, and unstable. So what we have created is a configurable engine right in the system where you can change a lot of things from the front end and the system evolves in that way. And this is one key which is absolutely outstanding about academia, and you know, we have built it in on very rigorously. Apart from that, there's obviously a lot of host of other things, again not covering it today. It's been built on Java J2E technologies. We've been featured in a lot of press, ET Now, some of our clients. I'm also a consultant to the Association of African Universities and advising them on how to automate processes across institutions in Africa. This was a video we were featured on ET Now. You can keep going. These are some of our clients across Africa, Middle East, India, Asia Pacific, and it's a product that's growing very rapidly. Then one of the key things is how do we implement it? So I'll just take one more minute and I'll wrap up. So in the implementation, we go with the standard product, and then our team comes to the campus and really does a gap analysis based on what you really require in terms of your formats. We configure the solution based on that, train the people on various formats, and then go live with it. Why academia? As I've already said, it's a technologically and superior product, and our focus is just education with this product. That's the only thing we do. And we love the opportunity to partner, and it's time for coffee, maybe after some time. The last thing, just half a minute, I'd like to show you some screenshots, and I'll end it with that. Just so that you have a glimpse of what I've been talking about. So these are some, you know, we've included a lot of dashboards, which helps various users at each level, from top management to the individual students and teachers as well. Pre-admission abilities, and then, you know, there's a lot of graphics, analytics that we've built into it, admission processes. You know, you can have a lot of demographic reports and so on. Selection process, like I mentioned, is very efficiently tracked. Programs, again, you know, this is the kind of configurability. You can define a lot of parameters right here from the front end, and this really drives the ERP from there. Then we have timetables, student course enrollments, examinations, all kinds of grading. We are able to handle grade points, percentages, letter grades, etc. So there's a lot of deep domain expertise that we have built in, examination related stuff, fees and payments, online payment gateways can be integrated, mobile wallets, etc. Completion, students, this is a very detailed student profile where we keep a track of every single activity about a student within the system, employees, various tools and services, transport, hostel, and other administrative aspects as well. Users and roles, and then we have different integrations like the applicant portal and then we integrate with social media like Google+, LMSs, and so on. So that was our idea of just presenting a quick thing. Thank you for your time today. Please meet us at booth number 30 tomorrow if you'd be interested for a chat. Thank you, sir. That's the most difficult question I've been asked in a forum like this. No, I can tell you for a fact that it is reasonably priced. And it will not burn a hole, and it is certainly very competitively priced. I mean, okay, so let me say competitively priced in wake of the other solutions that do exist in the market. And for the kind of technology upgrade that we have done, see, we have been doing this for 8 years. I was in the US. I moved back to India just to start this company. And our sole mission is to make this the #1 product on the earth. So, you know, we are just investing way too much into the product every single day. Our entire team of about 125 people is just focused on this. So in terms of costing, we have to be competitive. Otherwise, we'll be outpriced in the market. So yeah, we have two models. One model is license, which you can buy and then pay us an AMC every year. And you can also have per year, per student pricing. Then you can have hosting on the cloud, or you can have it on premise. I can tell you that the value to cost equation is heavily loaded in the client's favor in our product.
Thank you. Thank you, Arpit, for this wonderful presentation, and huge round of applause for Arpit.
Thank you.